Hi there. Today we're going to make words that all have the long vowel sounds in them. Here's our first word. It has an E at the end of the word, which makes the A make the A sound. Do you know what the word is? Plane. Plane. Great job. How about this word? There's an E at the end of the word, which makes the I say I. Fire. Fire. This next word has the letters QU in the beginning of it. QU makes the sound qua. Let's sound it out. Qua-in. Put it together. What's the word? Queen. Queen. Here's our last word. See if you can get it before I do. There's an E at the end of the word, which makes the O make the O sound. Nose. Nose. Great job. Can you find the word plane? Point to it. Plane. Can you find home? Home. Can you find the word nose? Nose. And can you find fire? Fire. Awesome job. Thanks so much for reading with me at Kickstart Reading.